The Hartford insurance rates. The Hartford offers a variety of insurance policies, with rates varying based on factors like coverage type, location, and individual risk profile. Customers can choose from auto, home, and business insurance plans, each with customizable options. 1. Auto insurance rates. The Hartford's auto insurance rates depend on factors such as driving history, vehicle type, and location. Policyholders can save through discounts for safe driving, bundling policies, and vehicle safety features. 2. Homeowners insurance rates. Home insurance premiums are influenced by home value, location, and additional coverage options. Customers can lower costs by installing security systems, bundling policies, or selecting higher deductibles. 3. Business insurance rates. Small businesses can obtain affordable coverage tailored to their industry and risk factors. The Hartford offers customized plans that include general liability, property, and workers' compensation insurance. 4th, factors affecting insurance premiums. Insurance rates are determined by several factors, including location. Higher risk areas may have increased premiums. Coverage levels. Higher limits and additional endorsements raise costs. Claims history. Frequent claims can lead to higher rates. Deductibles. Higher deductibles reduce premiums but increase out-of-pocket costs. 5. Discounts and savings. The Hartford offers multiple discounts to help policyholders save, such as multi-policy discounts for bundling auto and home insurance, safe driver rewards for maintaining a clean record, home safety discounts for security and fire prevention systems. 6. Customizable coverage options. Customers can tailor their policies with add-ons like accident forgiveness, replacement cost coverage, and enhanced roadside assistance, ensuring they receive the protection that fits their needs. 7. Comparing and finding the best rates. To secure the best possible insurance rates, it's important to compare quotes and explore available discounts. The Hartford provides competitive pricing with flexible coverage options to meet customer needs. The Hartford's rates vary based on individual circumstances, but with available discounts and policy customization, customers can find affordable and comprehensive coverage. To see the best offers on insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.